Looks like we're in the Wizard of Oz. We got plenty of shit flying around. Can't even see up there. Up ahead of us.
Dusty, dirty.
Look, the semis are disappearing. They are. They're disappearing into it. Look, that one's disappearing right now. Oh fuck, what is all this shit?
Oh my god.
Oh, we're being assaulted again. At least it ain't with a fucking tree this time.
Wow, look at that.
Hazard reported ahead.
No, you
Reminds me
fucking
of Gotham
think?
City.
You think there might be a fucking hazard ahead? There's a hazard the whole fucking state right now. Fucking Batman.